Abula's Golden Rompope. A delicious Mexican bebidas recipe. This recipe serves 8 to 10 servings. Preparation takes about 15 minutes. And cooking takes around 45 to 50 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 liters whole milk, 1.5 cups granulated sugar, 2 sticks Mexican cinnamon, 3 pieces whole cloves, a quarter teaspoon baking soda, 1 tablespoon pure vanilla extract, a quarter teaspoon nutmeg, 12 large egg yolks, a quarter cup blanched almonds, 1 cup aged rum or brandy. Step 1. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, combine the whole milk, sugar, cinnamon sticks, cloves, nutmeg, and baking soda. Step 2. Place the pot over medium-high heat and bring to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally with a wooden spoon to ensure the sugar dissolves completely. Step 3. Once the milk reaches a simmer, reduce the heat to low. Let it cook uncovered for about 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the liquid has reduced by about a quarter and taken on a light cream color. Step 4. While the milk is reducing, place the 12 egg yolks in a medium bowl. Whisk them vigorously with the ground almond paste until the mixture is smooth and slightly pale. Step 5. Remove the milk from the heat. Take out the cinnamon sticks and whole cloves using a slotted spoon and discard them. Step 6. Temper the eggs. Very slowly, ladle about half a cup of the hot milk into the egg yolk mixture while whisking constantly. This prevents the eggs from scrambling. Step 7. Continue adding another 2 ladles of milk to the eggs, whisking non-stop until the egg mixture is warm to the touch. Step 8. Slowly pour the tempered egg mixture back into the main pot of milk, whisking the entire time to ensure a perfectly smooth integration. Step 9. Return the pot to low heat. Cook the mixture, stirring constantly in a figure-8 motion with a wooden spoon, for 8 to 10 minutes. Do not let it boil. Step 10. The rompope is ready when it thickens enough to coat the back of a spoon. If you run your finger across the spoon, the path should stay clear. Step 11. Remove from heat immediately and stir in the vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Let the mixture cool completely to room temperature. Step 12. Once cooled, stir in the rum or brandy. Taste and add more if you prefer a stronger kick. Step 13. Strain the rompope through a fine mesh sieve into glass bottles to remove any almond grit or stray egg bits, ensuring a silk-like texture. Step 14. Seal the bottles and refrigerate for at least 24 hours before serving. The flavors develop and mellow significantly with a little rest. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.